OLDHAM Ramblers volunteer footpath clearance and maintenance team were out again last Tuesday. When? The 22nd of July 2025. Where? Slaters Farm, Knott Lanes, Oldham. What? Working on footpath, FP53 Oldham, strimming, cutting back trees, waymarking, cleared vegetation, footbridge, decking and steps ready for next week when the footbridge and decking will be repaired. Who? 8 volunteers out this week. Ken, Paul, Mike, Keith, Steve, Bob, George and Neil. A big thank you to all the volunteers and thank you for watching. Volunteers working for walkers. Keep on walking.